During gameplay, you may want to move the computer. To do this, we're going to click the activate icon, which is the yellow hand, and you're going to have two additional options. The top option is to allow you to move the system. When you click on this, a new panel will show up allowing you to move the computer around the lab. It's going to give you options to move the system up. It's going to give you options to move the system forward, back, left, and right. And as you see as we're talking, I'm moving it from this table to the other. And it will also allow you to spin your desktop computer. So we're pretty close to where we want it, and now we're going to use the rotate buttons to get it precise. If you ever need to change how much of an angle your system rotates, you can do this in options. For now, I have it set at 5%. If I want to move it in an opposite direction, hold the left control key while pressing one of the rotation buttons, and it will spin around the other direction. This goes for all of the access points. This is not holding control, this is holding control. This is not holding control, this is holding control. And again, this is not holding control, and this is holding control. So it does change your positioning, or it reverses your rotation. We still need to spin this so we can get a better view of what's going on here. So I'm going to spin it around. I got some good light going on here. I want to get it back on the tabletop. And then as the last step, as soon as I find the right spot for it, I can then lower it down to the table so it doesn't drop. Now, as I'm moving, you're going to notice down here in your event window, there's a countdown. It goes 3, 2, 1. Whenever it hits pretty much 0, the computer's going to drop and your panel's going to go away. So we remind you to press the control key to reset that counter. As you're moving it, if it takes you a while to move it, you're going to want to hold in, or you're going to want to press left control to keep resetting that counter. When you're done moving your system and you're happy at the location, you can right click the activate button, and now you can continue working.